Welcome to Bill's Bridge Tip of the Day, Monday, March 4th, 2013. Your partner just made a negative double. Now what happens? Well, let's see. If the next player bids, your partner has another chance to bid, so you can pass with a minimum hand. If the next hand passes, you have a whole bunch of choices. Let's take a look. First of all jumps are invitational. Just assume your partner made a response at the one level of a suit. Very similar. You assume that he bid the unbid major or majors. Only a Q bid is forcing to game. Opener may have the same set of challenges as a rebid as if partner had bid a suit. You may be forced to rebid a 5-card suit. You may have to bid a new 3-card side suit. You may have to raise partner with 3-card support. You assume that he has the unbid major in certain cases. You may have to bid one no trump without a stopper in the opponent's suit, but that's only at the one level. A double jump to 3 no trump is typically based on a long minor, and you hope that you can make 9 tricks. A pass is really rare at the 1 or 2 level. Only with trump stack would you do that. You better have pretty darn good trump. Now let's suppose that I'm on the other side of the table now. I made a negative double. My left-hand opponent raised. And now what do I do as the opener? A double in this condition is a takeout. Partner does not expect 4-card support for the non-double in this case. The double shows 4 spades. So partner doesn't expect 4 spades. He probably expects 5 clubs and 3 spades. Basically, it's a takeout. That'd be an example. But on the other hand, if you raise the major, you raise it to whatever level. Assume he bid a spade, and you raise to whatever level of spade you're able to. However, a Q bid is forcing the game, and if you double and then follow up by bidding the major, you're showing you want to be competitive. You're not encouraging game. It's merely a competitive bid, kind of like a maximum double. After left-hand opponent raises and partner passes, showing a minimum, now I am the negative doubler. My partner has passed. He shows a minimum. What should I do? If I do anything, I show 10 points because partner's at a minimum. A second double shows points, and it's for takeout. It emphasizes that it really was for takeout. It implies shortness in hearts in this case. A suit bid at the 2 level shows 9 to 11 points, but it's not forcing. And again, a Q bid is game force. After opener rebids, this is the example. Now, the negative double bids has to define his hand further. Any bid shows 10 or more starting points. The bid at the 2 level shows like 9 to 11 and is non-forcing. A Q bid is... We'll have some examples shortly. A couple of simple questions. What if responder has a trump stack? 1 club, 1 heart, and you got a stack of hearts. You may want to pass and hope that opener can reopen with a double, in which case you now pass, converting it to a penalty. On that same angle, should opener always reopen the bidding after this sequence? 1 diamond, 1 heart, pass, pass. The answer is no. With length in the opponent's suit, like with hearts, as in the example, partner can't be trapped passing, so you just pass, or bid another suit if you're strong enough. I'm going to go through some example hands. It goes 1 club, right-hand opponent bids 3 spades. This is a trick question. This goes back to yesterday's class. What do you bid? You double. It's a trump double. You're asking partner to bid spades. I bid 3 no trump with spades stopped. Next hand. Goes 1 club, 1 spade, double, pass. You're the opener. Your partner's shown hearts. You bid 2 hearts. Just as though he bid 1 heart, you bid 2. Here we go. Pretty good looking hand. You open a diamond. Left hand opponent bids spades. Your partner doubled. Negative double. He's showing hearts. Next hand passes. What do you bid? You bid 3 hearts. Just like the bidding went 1 diamond, 1 heart, pass 3 hearts. Next hand. You open a diamond. Kind of minimum. Partner doubles. Right hand opponent passes. You bid 2 clubs. You got to bid something, and the diamonds aren't good enough to rebid. You bid 2 clubs. Next hand. You open this hand a diamond. Left hand opponent bids spade. Your partner makes a negative double. He's showing hearts. Right hand opponent passes. Well, you got the rest of the suits covered pretty much. Clubs are half cover. Bid 1, no trump. It's only the 1 level. It describes your hand. In this hand, you open a spade. Left hand opponent bids 2 clubs. Partner makes a negative double. Next hand passes. You probably want to be in game, and you may want to be in spades. You could even be in hearts, or you could be in no trump. You don't know which. You bid 3 clubs. Partner may have 5 hearts. If he does, then he'll bid it, and you can make 4 hearts. Maybe he can bid 3 no trump. If he bids neither one, maybe he can raise spades. We don't know where, but we're going to play in one of those denominations. Next hand, you open a diamond. Again, left hand opponent bids 2 clubs. Your partner makes a negative double. Next hand passes. What's your bid? Just as though he'd bid a major suit, you bid 3 diamonds. Shows a good hand with 6 diamonds. Next hand. Partner opens a club. It goes a diamond on your right. You make a negative double. Next hand passes. Partner rebids 2 clubs. Next hand passes. Well, you sure don't want to be in clubs. And you've already told your partner you have both majors. You bid 2 hearts, saying, I've got 5 hearts or 6 and a weak hand. That's going to be my last bid, partner. Up to you. Hand 9. Not a lot. Partner opens a diamond. Next hand bids 2 clubs. Now you have enough to double, but you don't have both majors. If partner bids spades, you have an out. You can rebid diamonds. So you're going to make a negative double. And sure enough, partner bids 2 spades. Next hand passes, but you have an out. You can bid 3 diamonds. It's not forcing. And you're safe. Well, there you have it for negative doubles. Tomorrow we're going to cover another kind of double called a support double. It has its own set of challenges, but I would strongly recommend you do play support doubles. See you Tuesday.